Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So we will begin. So last time we were discussing about the probability mass function. So probability mass function is basically denoted by P of x, which is nothing but probability of capital X equal to x. What are the properties of your probability mass function? P of x lies between 0 and 1 for all x in the sample space. Summation of P of x is equal to 1. These are the two important properties uh, for your probability mass function. P of x lies between 0 and 1. Summation of P of x is equal to 1. Before discussing the probability mass function, we have discussed about the discrete random variable and the continuous random variable. So at present, the things which we are discussing is for your discrete random variable. Continuous random variable के लिए the things will be parallel. There would be some changes, but almost it would be one and the same thing. See, one simple thing I will tell you, the simple change compared to what we have in case of a discrete random variable and what you will have it in case of continuous random variable is uh, see for probability mass function we have two properties. One is your p of x lies between 0 to 1, ये तो same रहेगा. Second property is summation of p of x is equal to 1. Instead of summation of p of x, there you will have integration of p of x. Okay, in case of continuous variable, you will have integration of p of x. So that we will discuss when we go for the continuous case. At present, we are discussing for the discrete case. So probability mass function के लिए two things we have to remember. One, your p of x lies between 0 and 1 for all values of x. And second, summation of p of x is equal to 1. So last time we were solving some examples. So the first the example was first to verify, that is to check whether the given function is a probability mass function. Second was your p of x is given to be a probability mass function, and we are supposed to find out the value of k. Okay, we are supposed to find out the value of k. So we had done one example of that kind. Today we will solve one more example. I don't know for what reason this two times the table is coming. Just a second, I'll just check. Okay, so what does the question say? X takes values as 0, 10 and 15. P of x takes the values as x minus 6 upon 5, 2 upon k, 14 upon 5k. It is given that this P of x is a probability mass function, and we have to find out what is the value of k. So here we start with P of x is given to be a probability mass function. So what are the two properties? Two properties are summation of P of x is 1. So I think this table I will have to delete. So 0 less than or equals to P of x less than or equals to 1, and summation of x sorry summation of P of x when x belongs to the sample space, this is equal to 1. These are the two properties for your P of x, that is your probability mass function. Probability lies between 0 and 1, and summation of P of x is equal to 1. So यहाँ पे we start with the summation of P of x. equals to 1. So summation of p of x equal to 1. What does this gives me? This gives me k minus 6 upon 5 plus 2 upon k plus 14 divided by 5k is equal to 1. Okay, this is what I get. Summation of p of x is equal to 1. This means I get this equation k minus 6 upon 5 plus 2 upon k plus 14 upon 5k equal to 1. Now we basically have a equation in one variable. इसको सॉल्व करके अपने को k का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. That is what we are supposed to do here. ठीक है, we have a equation in one variable. इसको सॉल्व करके k का वैल्यू अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है. So what we will do, we will take the LCM. Okay, tell me what will be the LCM of this three terms which you have. जो तीन टर्म है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, उसका LCM क्या होगा?
5k.
Okay, that means फर्स्ट टर्म को मेरे को k से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सेकेंड टर्म को मेरे को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, थर्ड टर्म को मेरे को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि उसका डिनोमिनेटर इज ऑलरेडी 5k. Right, so I will get this divided by 5k equals to 1. What does this imply? If I open the bracket, I get k square minus 6k plus k square minus 6k plus 24 equals to 5k. Right, k square minus 6k plus 24 equals to 5k. Now I simplify and I can write it as k square minus 11k plus 24 equals to 0.
Yes.
Is this okay? Is this okay?
सर 10 कहाँ से आया?
Yes, sir.
10 वो जो सेंटर वाला टर्म है ना 2 अपॉन k, उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना हम लोग, बिकॉज अपना एलसीएम 5k है ना.
हाँ सर समझा.
तो इसको भी बेसिकली फैक्टराइज करना है एंड k का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, इसको फैक्टराइज करना है और k का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So can anyone tell me what would be the factors of this polynomial? जो quadratic equation है उसका फैक्टर्स क्या होगा? Yes, factorization of k square minus 11k plus
3 and 8.
Sorry?
3 and 8.
3 and 8. So you are telling me the values of k, right?
Yes. No, I'm telling before factorization how will it happen? K square minus 8k. 3k
तो
minus
ये
8k.
3 and 8 k का वैल्यू है कि क्या है?
So k का वैल्यू नहीं है ये.
तो ये 3 and 8 क्या है? अगर ये 3 and 8 k का वैल्यू नहीं है तो ये क्या है? Yes, Himakshi.
हाँ सर 8 and 3 है इसका आंसर.
तो k का वैल्यू ही हुआ ना?
हाँ सर k का वैल्यू है.
ओके, तो और उसका फैक्टर्स क्या होगा बोलो? इफ यू आर टेलिंग द वैल्यूज आर 3 and 8, तो उसका फैक्टर्स क्या होगा? I'm not telling your answer is correct or wrong. I'm
3
just
and
asking.
8 sir.
3 and 8 तो k का वैल्यू हो गया ना. 3 and 8 what you are telling, वो तो k का वैल्यू हो गया ना. I'm asking what are the factors. ये जो सेकेंड डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल है, इसको फैक्टराइज करेगा तो उसका फैक्टर्स मिलेगा ना. तो फैक्टर्स क्या है उसका? आई एम आस्किंग द फैक्टराइजेशन.
So k minus 3 and k minus 8 ना.
हाँ, तो k minus 3 and k minus 8, that is what I was asking. k minus
Yes, sir.
3 k minus 8 equals to 0. ये मेरा फैक्टराइजेशन हो गया. And this gives me the value of k as 3 and 8. Okay, k square minus 11k plus 24 equals to 0. इसका फैक्टराइजेशन is k minus 3 into k minus 8, and उसका जो रूट्स है they are 3 and 8. So I'm getting two values of my k. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to find out कि k का दोनों वैल्यू के लिए वो p of x प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन है, किसी एक वैल्यू के लिए प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन है, या किसी के भी लिए नहीं है. किसी के लिए भी नहीं है वो तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी नील, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में ही दिया हुआ है कि इट्स अ प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन. सो आउट ऑफ द टू वैल्यूज ऑफ माय k, which one will give us the probability mass function? दोनों में मिलेगा कि किसी एक में मिलेगा? That is what we have to check now. So we will do it separately. First we will do when k is equal to 8, and then we will do it when k is equal to 3, or 3 and 8 के लिए करेगा. So suppose first we take k equals to 3. So what will be my p of x का value when x is 0? p of x ऊपर दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, राइट? तो जब 0 है तो मेरा p of x क्या था? k minus 6 upon 5. Okay, when your x is 0, तो मेरा p of x is k minus 6 upon 5. So what will be your p of x when k is 3?
minus 3 by 5.
Okay, minus 3 by 5. Then
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Okay. Then
14 by 15.
14 by 15. Okay, so when k is 3, what can you say? Is it a PMF or it is not a PMF? When k is 3, is p of x a probability mass function or not a probability mass function? प्रॉपर्टीज चेक करो. दो प्रॉपर्टीज है, दोनों प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है तो प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन होगा. एक भी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ तो प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन नहीं होगा.
Sir, it's not a probability mass function.
Why?
Because if we divide minus 3 upon 5, we get minus 0.6.
हाँ. So you can say no, it is not a probability mass function as p of 0 is less than 0. Okay, negative आ रहा है ना p of x when x is 0, you are getting minus 3 by 5. इसका decimal value is 0.6. Correct? So it is not a probability mass function because p of 0 is less than 0, and for p of x to be a probability mass function, your p of x has to be between 0 and 1. Right? P of x has to be between 0 and 1. But यहाँ पे negative आ रहा है So it is not a probability mass function. So when k is 3, p of x is not a probability mass function. So now we will check for p of x when k is equal to 8. Okay, when k is equal to 8, what you will get your values of p of x?
2 by 5.
Okay, 2 by 5. Second value?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Okay, very
7 by
good.
20.
1 by 4 और लास्ट में क्या आएगा?
7 by 20.
14 अपन कितना था? 5k. तो 8 ना, तो 8 में से 2 गया तो 4, 7 by 20. Okay. So these are the values of my p of x. Now check कि दोनों प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. So all of them are between 0 and 1. What so you can clearly see 2 upon 5 is something 0.4. 1 upon 4 is 0.25. 7 upon 20 is greater than 0 but less than 1. तो तीनों मेरा p of x are between 0 and 1. तो first property satisfy हो गया. Second property
So
summation should be
second is also satisfied.
so 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 7 upon 20. उसका LCM आएगा तुम्हारा 20. So 8 plus 5 13 plus 7 20. 20 upon 20 is 1. So this is a PMF. So P of x is a PMF when k is equal to 8, and when k is equal to 3, it is not a PMF. Is this some clear?
Yes.
So this is what you can expect the questions to be. Fine, but don't be overconfident in the sense कि k equals to 3 के लिए PMF नहीं मिला तो k equals to 8 के लिए डायरेक्टली बिना वेरीफाई किए लिख दो करके. That is not the correct technique, because it may happen कि तुम्हारा रूट्स ही गलत है. हो सकता है ना कैलकुलेशन में जो k का वैल्यू फाइंड किया वही अगर गलत हो गया तो तुम्हारा पूरे का पूरा सम चले जाएगा, तो पूरे का पूरा वेटेज जाएगा तुम्हारा अननेसेसरीली. So whatever is there, logically I only told you कि क्वेश्चन में PMF दिया है तो 3 के लिए नहीं है तो 8 के लिए होगा ही वो, बट चेक करो, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, ओके. Is it fine? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is the expected value. Expected value is like your arithmetic mean. See, you would have we had discussed arithmetic mean, right? Average जो होता है average, that is what is basically known as your arithmetic mean. Then have you heard about weighted average? Weighted average के बारे में सुना है? अच्छा, नहीं सुना. ओके, तुम लोग को सेम 1 का ग्रेड कार्ड मिल गया तुम्हारा?
Yes.
मिल गया, राइट? तो उसमें तुम लोग को एक ग्रेड पॉइंट का टेबल है, एक ग्रेड पॉइंट का कॉलम है. ध्यान से देखा है ग्रेड कार्ड को? अच्छा, इट सीम्स के नहीं देखा है. ठीक है, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. टुमारो यू कैन टुडे यू कैन रेफर, सी and keep it ready. tomorrow we'll discuss about your grade card. उसमें क्या क्या है और कौन सा एवरेज वहां पे यूज देखना जरूरी है, because otherwise there is no point. Fine. So we were talking about the weighted average. Weighted average is like it is similar to your arithmetic mean. तुम्हारा जो average है, but the only difference is every observation will have a particular weight. Okay, every observation will have a particular weight. What is this weight? Weight, you can say it is like importance. Now see, for you consider an individual A. Okay, you consider an individual A. वो एक जो इंडिविजुअल A है उसका 5 फ्रेंड्स है, 1 2 3 4 5, राइट? नाउ इज इट क्यों 5 का 5 सेम लेवल पे होगा या कोई उसका एकदम बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगा करके? पॉसिबल है ना? Say if I say I have a person A who has 5 friends, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 is a very best friend, or I'll say 2 is the best friend of A, 4 is also best friend of A, 1 3 and 5 are friends of A. Okay, again I repeat, person A has 5 friends, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 and 4 are the best friends of A, 1 3 and 5 are friends of A. ठीक है, अभी इसका क्या मीनिंग होता है? टेल मी व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस. I have a person A who has 5 friends, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 and 4 are the best friends of A, 1 3 and 5 are friends of A. What do you understand by this statement? ये मत बोलना कि 2 और 4 A का पक्का फ्रेंड्स है, 1 3 5 A का फ्रेंड्स है. वो इंग्लिश और हिंदी का ट्रांसलेशन नहीं पूछ रहा हूं मैं. Understand, what do you understand from this statement? That is what I am asking. अरे ये तो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. Hey Supreet, you want to say something?
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं.
Okay, Purva, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll take your example. Suppose you have friends 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, उसमें से 2 and 4 are your best friends, 1 3 and 5 are your friends. Now some one day your mother makes something new dish, say कुछ sweet बनाया, and she gives it to you in your tiffin. You will, how will you share this sweet with your friends? And that sweet is like, it is one of your favorites. The first thing, you don't like to share it, but मम्मी ने बोला अपने friends के साथ share करना. So tell me, what would be your this thing? How will you share that thing?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat? Actually, I am having network issues.
I was telling you have 5 friends, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 4 are your best friends. 1, 3 and 5 are your friends. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now, say अभी होली आ रहा है. On the occasion of Holi, your mother makes some sweet dish. She gives you in your tiffin and tells you, okay, you can share with your friend. So, and that sweet dish is one of your favorites, which you don't like to share it. But अभी मम्मी ने बोला है तो share करना पड़ेगा. So, how will you share it with your friends?
I'll give more to my best friends and less to my friends.
Right. This is what I wanted. You will give more to your best friend. So it's like, say, instead of 2 pieces, I will say 3 pieces. अगर मम्मी ने दिया, तो what पूर्वा will do? उसका तो फेवरेट है, तो एक पूरा पीस वो खा जाएगी, राइट? बाकी का जो 2 पीस बचा, उसमें से एक में से हाफ हाफ वो 2 and 4 को देगी. जस्ट लाइक व्हाट शी सेड कि जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उसको ज्यादा शेयर मिलेगा, और जो फ्रेंड है 1, 3 and 5, जो थर्ड वन में से वो तीनों में डिवाइड करेगी. मतलब 2 और 4 को 50-50 मिलेगा, 1, 3 और 5 को 1/3 मिलेगा. Am I correct, Purva?
Yes, sir.
So now when she is dividing this sweet among her friends, अभी खुद का शेयर तो छोड़ दो, उसने एक पूरा पीस खा लिया, वो छोड़ दो. वो उसका जो 2 पीस है बाकी का बचा हुआ, जो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर रही है, as she said कि 2 and 4 को ज्यादा शेयर देगी, 1, 3, 5 को it would be less compared to what 2 and 4 get. Why? Because 2 and 4 are her best friends. तो ये जो 2 और 4 को वो जो 50 हाफ हाफ का शेयर जा रहा है, that is what is the weight, you can say, जो importance होता है, in other words, that is what is known as your weight. So one is your simple average, one is your weighted average. तो ये जो expected value है, it is similar to your weighted average. Simple average में क्या होता है? Everyone will get an equal share. Okay, simple average में होता है everyone will get an equal share. Weighted average में क्या होता है कि every observation, जैसे every friend has its own importance. तो उसका जो 2 बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कंपेयर टू द 3 फ्रेंड्स. इसके लिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड को ज्यादा शेयर जाता है एंड 3 फ्रेंड्स को थोड़ा कम शेयर जाता है. तो ये जो होता है इंपॉर्टेंस, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, दैट इज व्हाट comes under your weighted average. So expected value is nothing but your weighted average. So उसका एक नाम हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि उसका नाम अलग से दे दिया है वो लोग ने. So x is a discrete random variable with the probability mass function given as p of x. Sample space is capital S. Expectation or the expected value. Expectation or the expected value. Yeah.
So expected value and weighted value are the same.
Expected value and
Weighted share, like you told me.
weighted average.
Yes, sir.
They are same. Expected value and weighted average are same. But expected value में क्या है कि we talk in terms of probability. Okay. And weighted average में we talk with in terms of your weights. जैसे वो हम लोग बोला ना 2 और 4 को हाफ हाफ शेयर मिला, तो वो वेट्स हो गया, तो वो वेटेड एवरेज हो गया. अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी का टर्म्स में बात करेगा तो दैट विल बी टर्म्ड एज योर एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू. ओके. So x is a discrete random variable. P of x is the probability mass function. S is the sample space. The expectation or the expected value of x is denoted by capital E of x and is given by summation of x px, where x belongs to the sample space S. ठीक है. E of x is given as summation x px, where your x varies over the sample space S. So x px is basically summation of x px is basically the formula for your expected value. Okay, summation of x px is the formula for your expected value, where x is your observation, p of x is the probability of capital X equals to x. Okay, p of x is the probability of capital X equals to x, where your p of x is nothing but the probability mass function. तो दोनों प्रॉपर्टी वो सेटिस्फाई करेगा. कौन सा दो प्रॉपर्टी? p of x lies between 0 and 1 and summation of p of x is 1. ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टी वो सेटिस्फाई करेगा. So this is the formula you can say for your expected value, summation x into px. Then we discuss some properties of the expected value. Okay, now we discuss some properties of the expected value. What is given? X is a discrete random variable. E of x is the expected value. A and B are scalars. Scalars means some arbitrary constant. Okay, scalar means some arbitrary constants. So this is what is given. First property, expected value of x plus b. Expected value of x plus b is expected value of x plus b. Okay, expected value of x plus b is expected value of x plus b. I hope you understand the difference. वो पहले x plus b पूरा bracket में है और right hand side पे it is expected value of x plus the scalar b. Second property is expected value of ax. Okay, expected value of ax is a times expected value of x. Third is basically the combination of first and second. Third property is combination of first and second. That is expected value of ax plus b. Okay, expected value of ax plus b is a times expected value of x plus b. Fourth is expected value of b is b. That means expected value of a constant is the same thing. Okay, expected value of the constant is the same thing. Fifth is expected value of x plus y, which is expected value of x plus expected value of y. उसका प्रूफ हम लोग डिस्कस नहीं करेगा. WP stands for without proof. Expected value of x into y. ठीक है, expected value of x into y is expected value of x multiplied by expected value of y, provided x and y are independent random variables. Independent means एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता है. This also will be without proof. So I hope by now the abbreviations are clear. HW stands for your homework, PP stands for the practice problem, SS stands for the self study, and WP stands for without proof. So first four का proof हम लोग को discuss करना है. First and second we will do it in the class. Third and fourth you will do it as your homework. Why? Because third is a combination of first and second. Fourth, so it is quite simple. So third and fourth ka proof you can do. First and second ka proof we will do it in the class now. So what is the first one? Expected value of x plus b. Okay, expected value of x plus b is expected value of x plus b. So we start with the basic formula of your expected value of x. So expected value of x plus b. How it is defined? Summation of x belonging to capital S of the variable, that is x plus b, multiplied by p of x. Okay, this is by the definition, summation x px. So x summation of x plus b into p of x. Abhi using the property of the summation, this you can write it as summation of x px plus summation of b into px. Okay, summation of b into px. Okay, this we get using the property of summation. So we started with expected value of x plus b, that we get it as summation of x plus b into px by the definition. Using the property of summation, उसको हम लोग separate कर सकता है. So that can be written as summation of x px plus summation of b px. Now summation of x px is nothing but expected value of x by the definition. B is a constant which I can take out of the summation. So what remains inside the summation for the second term? This is what remains. P of x plus b into summation px. But what is the value of summation px? Summation px is 1. Why? Because p of x is a probability mass function. So second property says summation px is equal to 1. Right?
सर
So
थोड़ा
this is the
फॉन्ट बड़ा कर
answer.
सकते हैं
Sorry?
सर फॉन्ट थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकते हैं
Supreet, what you said?
तो जो साइज है ना फॉन्ट फॉन्ट साइज है जो लेटर है तो थोड़ा छोटा
हाँ,
है
font size increase करना है.
हाँ सर
Now it's okay. क्या था font size? 14. Is it fine now?
हाँ सर भी फाइन
क्या और बड़ा करूं?
चलेगा इतना ही चलेगा
ठीक है. So this is the proof of the first one. Is this okay to everyone? So expected value of x plus b is expected value of x plus b. Second property, expected value of ax is a times expected value of x, where a is a constant. It's a scalar basically. See, constant और scalar में क्या फर्क होता है? Scalar is we say वो भी constant ही है. Scalar is the physical quantity which has only magnitude. और constant भी वही है. Scalar word हम लोग क्यों use करते हैं? क्योंकि वो real number या imaginary number कोई भी हो सकता है. That is why we use the word scalar. Constant बोला तो generally वो it is assumed to be a real number. ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है, but it is assumed to be a real number. इसके लिए sometimes we use the word as scalar. Times expected value of x. Again इसको prove करने के लिए we start with the left hand side. Expected value of ax. इसका जो definition है that is ax into px. x px है ना, तो यहाँ पे x की जगह पे ax है, तो it is ax into px. That is what is my thing which I get using the formula. A is a constant, I can take it outside. So A into summation of x px. But what is summation x px? It is nothing but expected value of x. Okay, it is nothing but expected value of x. So I get E of ax is A times ex. Is this fine? Third and fourth are your homework. Third and fourth के लिए you just use your result 1 and 2. बहुत congested हो रहा है. I think एकदम वो joint हो गया था. That was one of the reason कि थोड़ा view करने में issue हो रहा होगा. Now I think the things are much more clear. Okay, so 3 and 4 are for your homework. 5 and 6 are without proof. Remember this properties. Properties are important in any form of your examination, whether it is multiple choice or whether it is descriptive.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर ये जो विदाउट प्रूफ है वो पेपर में नहीं आएगा ना प्रूफ करने को?
उसका स्टेटमेंट आएगा, उसका प्रूफ नहीं आएगा.
हाँ.
इसके लिए तो विदाउट प्रूफ है ना. ठीक, जो होमवर्क है जैसा थर्ड और फोर्थ वो तुमको पेपर में आ सकता है क्योंकि वो होमवर्क है. होमवर्क मतलब इट इज assumed कि you are supposed to do it. Not assumed, it is supposed कि you have to do it. तुम लोग नहीं करते हो वो तुम्हारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. बट जो विदाउट प्रूफ है वो पेपर में नहीं आएगा, उसका खाली स्टेटमेंट आएगा. सी अगर तुम्हारा डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जाम भी होता है तो उसमें जो प्रूफ्स वगैरह आएगा, जो रिजल्ट और प्रूफ जो हम लोग ने प्रूव किया है क्लास में उसी में से आएगा. जो विदाउट प्रूफ वाला है उसका खाली स्टेटमेंट आएगा, उसका प्रूफ नहीं आएगा तुम लोग को. क्लियर?
यस सर.
ठीक है. Okay, now we will solve some examples related to this. So x gives the number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. Find the probability. Density function, probability mass function is one and the same thing. P of x find करना है and उसका expected value find करना है. ठीक है, P of x find करना है and उसका expected value find करना है. So what we do is, what is given about x? X is the number of heads. Right? X is the number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. 2 tosses of a coin and tossing one coin 2 times. They are considered to be the same experiment. Okay, again I repeat. 2 tosses of a coin and tossing one coin 2 times are considered to be one and the same experiments. तो यहाँ पे x represents the number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. तो सबसे पहला मेरे को है ना इसका sample space बताओ. What would be the sample space of this experiment?
Headed.
Yes, anyone? What would be the sample space?
Head, tail.
Okay, दो head, tail और
H, T and H.
HT and TH. Fine. This is perfectly okay. But what I will suggest no, कि you write it in the you follow in particular order so that कि तुम्हारा कोई possibility miss out नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 4 possibilities है तो it's okay. ठीक है. But जनरली जब ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटीज होते हैं लाइक 2 3 कॉइन्स 4 कॉइन्स, तो इन दैट केस इफ यू गो विद दिस रैंडम थिंग देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि कोई एक पॉसिबिलिटी मिस हो गया। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, जब तुमको क्रॉस चेक करना है या कुछ कैलकुलेशन करना है तो थिंग्स में बिकम अ बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। तो उसके लिए क्या करो, एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर फॉलो करो। दैट ऑर्डर विल बी लाइक फर्स्ट यू सेड 2h, राइट? दैट मींस दोनों कॉइन विल गिव यू अ हेड, देन यू गो फॉर द पॉसिबिलिटी जहां पे एक हेड आ रहा है। एक हेड वाला कितना पॉसिबिलिटीज है? 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज, th एंड ht। उसके बाद यू गो फॉर द पॉसिबिलिटीज वेयर यू हैव 0 हेड्स। ठीक है, ये हो गया डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। तुम लोग उसका उल्टा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर भी कर सकते हो, दैट इज 0 हेड 1 हेड एंड 2 हेड। ठीक है, 0 हेड 1 हेड एंड 2 हेड वो चलेगा। असेंडिंग करो या डिसेंडिंग करो, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर फॉलो करो so that your possibility will not be missed out and it will become a bit easy to get your p of x. Okay, so now we will make a table which will give us the outcome and uska probability, because we want to find out p of x. तो p of x के लिए अपने को x का वैल्यू लगेगा और उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी लगेगा। एंड p of x मिलने के बाद अपने को वो कैपिटल x का एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू भी फाइंड करना है। ठीक है, एक्सपेक्टेशन फाइंड करना है, दैट मींस उसका एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू भी फाइंड करना है। सो फर्स्ट वी विल कंप्लीट द टेबल। ओके, x इज 0, 0 मतलब उसका आउटकम क्या होगा? व्हेन x इज 0 तो आउटकम क्या होगा?
One.
1 will be the number of possibilities. Outcome क्या होगा? You have 4 possible outcomes in your sample space, right?
T15.
T, okay. उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा? एक फेवरेबल आउटकम है
1/4.
टोटल नंबर यू हैव 4 पॉसिबल आउटकम, तो 1/4, राइट? वन हेड वाला कितना पॉसिबिलिटीज है?
2.
2. विच आर द 2?
HT and TH.
HT एंड TH। ओके, इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना होगा?
2/4, that is 1/2.
2/4.
2/4, क्योंकि फिर वो तुम्हारा आगे कैलकुलेशन में वापस तुमको एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा नहीं तो। ओके, व्हेन कैपिटल X इज 2, व्हाट विल बी योर आउटकम?
HH.
HH, तो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 1/4, राइट? This much is clear?
Yes sir.
ओके, अभी क्या करना है? P of X फाइंड करना है। P of X फाइंड करने के लिए P of X is nothing but your function, तो P of X will be 1/4। 1/4, अभी वो टेबल में देखो 1/4 कितना टाइम्स आया? 2 times. For what values of X you are getting 1/4 as the probability? For what values of X you are getting the probability as 1/4?
0 and 2.
2 and 0.
0 and 2, right? So P of X is 1/4 when X is 0, 2. Okay, this is how you will write. P of X is 1/4 when X is 0, 0 and 2. What is the other value? It is half That is 2/4. That is when x is equal to 1.
1.
Here also right. So p of x is 1/4 when your x is 0 and 2. It is equal to half when x is 1, and it is equal to 0 otherwise. बाकी सब वैल्यूज के लिए तुम्हारा p of x 0 होगा, करेक्ट? Is this p of x clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ ये जो p of x हम लोग ने लिखा है वो प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन है कि नहीं, वो क्रॉस चेक करना है, ठीक है? तो क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए क्या करना है, उसका सब वैल्यू 0 और 1 के बीच में होना चाहिए, है करेक्ट? उसका सब वैल्यू 0 और 1 के बीच में होना चाहिए, वो है समेशन ऑफ p of x इक्वल टू 1. चेक करो समेशन ऑफ p of x 1 हो रहा है?
Yes, sir, it's 1.
It is 1, right? Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1/4 plus half. This will be your summation. 1/4 plus half कि और कुछ होगा? I think Sweetie and one more person said yes. Right? और कौन था वो समेशन p of x 1 बोला वो? I think हिमाक्षी थी वो कि और कोई था?
Yes, sir. 1.
हाँ, तो हिमाक्षी कैन यू एक्सप्लेन वो 1 कैसे होता है समेशन px?
So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus half now. So 1/4
दो
plus
बार
1/4 will give me.
क्यों लिया?
हाँ.
दो बार 1/4 क्यों लिया?
So because 0 और 2 का दोनों का वैल्यू 1/4 था ना.
Okay, that is what the clarification I wanted. See, when x is 0 and 2, तुम्हारा probability is 1/4. तो जब तुम वो p of x probability mass function के लिए चेक कर रहे हो, तो it says अभी तुम्हारा x है सैंपल स्पेस में, उसका सबका टोटल p of x का वो 1 होना चाहिए, तो वो 1/4 को दो बार लेना है, ठीक है? 1/4 को दो बार लेना है. फाइन. तो ये तो पीएमएफ हो गया, चेक हो गया कि प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन है करके. अभी क्या फाइंड करना है? एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज समेशन एक्स पी एक्स. ओके, समेशन एक्स पी एक्स. तो मेरा एक्स का वैल्यू क्या है? पहला एक्स का वैल्यू है 0, so it will be 0 into उसका probability, that is 1/4 plus 1 into उसका probability, that is half, 2 into उसका probability, that is 1/4. Is this fine? Expected value is fine. Summation x px. तो मेरा x का वैल्यू is 0. तो ओके, फर्स्ट समय तो आई राइट इट लाइक दिस. वेट, उसका पूरा ये लिख देता हूं मैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन. It is 0 into p of 0, 1 into p of 1 plus 2 into p of 2. So this gives me my expected value is 0 into 1/4 plus 1 into half plus 2 into 1/4. Now tell me, is this e of x clear?
Yes, sir.
So now this will turn out to how much? This turns out to 1.
Yes, sir.
And here it is just a coincidence कि तुम्हारा expected value भी 1 आ रहा है और summation p of x भी 1 है. ये दोनों के बीच में कुछ भी रिलेशन नहीं है, ठीक है. इट इज द कोइंसिडेंस कि वो सेम आ रहा है, बट देयर इज नो रिलेशन बिटवीन द वैल्यू ऑफ योर e of x and summation px. So इसका expected value is 1. Is it clear? Shall I go to the second sum, or anyone has some doubt in this part?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, any questions on sum number 1?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Fine. So we go on to the second sum. Okay, second sum, what it says, x and y are two random variables with expected value of x as 3, expected value of y is 5. Okay, expected value of x is 3, expected value of y is 5. What we are supposed to find is expected value of x minus 3, expected value of 2x plus 5, expected value of x plus y, expected value of 2x plus y plus 10, expected value of 2x minus y plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things we are supposed to calculate in your sum number 2. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just scroll up. ये जो properties वाला part है ना, उसका एक screenshot ले लो अभी. I forgot to tell you at that time. इसका एक screenshot ले लो, so that this formulas will be helpful for solving the examples. Taken? Okay. I'll upload the PDF maybe today or by tomorrow, but it will be required for solving the examples now. Better if you have a screenshot with you. Okay. So x and y are random variables with expected value as 3 for x, expected value as 5 for y. These things are given. We have to calculate expected value of x minus 3. First property. What is expected value of x plus b? It is expected value of x plus b. But यहाँ पे तो माइनस है, राइट? तो माइनस को कैसा टैकल करने का? You can write it like this, no? Plus minus. So expected value of x minus 3 is same as expected value of x plus bracket में minus 3. Right? So this is of the form x plus b, first wala property. Right? This is of the form expected value of x plus b, first wala property. So what does your first property tells you? What is expected value of x plus b?
E of x plus
Expected value of x plus
So it is expected value of x plus b. So it is e of x plus bracket में minus 3. So it will give you 3 minus 3, which turns out to 0. Right? 3 minus 3, which turns out to 0. Is this fine?
yes, sir.
Okay. Second is expected value of 2x plus 5. expected value of 2x plus 5. Third property use karo, third property. Expected value of ax plus b. What does your third property says? Expected value of ax plus b. A times expected value of x plus b. Right? A times expected value of x plus b. This is what is your third property. So A ka value is 2, B ka value is 5. So we get 2 times expected value of x plus 5. Okay, 2 times expected value of x plus 5. So that is 2 into 3 plus 5. I get the answer as 11. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Then expected value of x plus y. Expected value of x plus y. So fifth property. Expected value of x plus expected value of y. 3 plus 5 gives me 8. Okay, 3 plus 5 gives me 8. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is expected value of 2x plus y plus 10. यहाँ पे it is a combination of your property 3 and property 1. Expected value of 2x plus y plus 10. तो इसको 3 और 1 का कॉम्बिनेशन बोलो या 5 और 3 का कॉम्बिनेशन बोलो. Anything you can say as per your convenience. तो इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या आएगा? It will be 2 times e of x plus e of y plus 10. ठीक है, 2 times e of x plus e of y plus 10. Again I repeat, it is 2 times e of x plus e of y plus 10. It's a combination of property 5 and property 3. So this will give you 2 into 3 plus 5 plus 10. So 21 is my answer. Right? Is this clear? Expected value of 2x plus y plus 10. The answer mila 21.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the answer for the last part. That is expected value of 2x minus y plus 10.
Eleven.
11. Can you explain how 11?
Sir, 13.
So 11.
Yes, can you explain why it is 11?
2 into expected value of x minus expected value of y plus 10.
Okay, 2 into expected value of x minus expected value of y plus 10. So 2 into 3 minus 5 plus 10, which gives you the answer as 11. Okay, fine. Is the second sum clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, I'll just add something in the third sum. Wait, okay, solve sum number 3 and get the answer. You solve sum number 3 and get the answer. Till that time, I'll have some water and come. Yes, anyone got the answer?
So for the last one,
Hmm.
that E is applicable for only one term or for both term?
It is expected value of x plus 2 into y minus 5. Okay. Uh, Fine. It seems to be confusing, so I'll write it like this. Now it is okay. The confusion is gone.
Okay, sir.
But the previous one also meant the same thing what I had written just now. Textbook will use that notation. The previous one which I had used, that was the one which is followed by the textbooks. Textbooks means your reference books. Okay, fine. So what is the expected value of 4x?
8.
8.
Okay. Expected value of 3x minus y?
2.
2. Okay. Now I'm not writing the explanation because you have already done it. I'm just writing the answer so you can cross check. Expected value of x plus 4y?
10.
18.
10.
18.
Expected value of x plus 4y?
18.
Sorry? Purva, can you repeat?
18, sir, 18.
18. Okay. Then 5x plus 4?
14.
14.
14.
Okay. Y minus 12?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Very nice. It is expected value of x into expected value of y. That gives you 8 because it is given, no, they are independent. Right? It's given they are independent. So it is expected value of x into expected value of y. That turns out to 8. Then expected value of x plus 2 into y minus 5. Since x and y are independent, x plus 2 and y minus 5 will be independent. So we will get
Uh,
expected value of x plus 2 into expected
minus 4, I
value of
suppose.
y minus 5.
Minus 4.
So x plus 2 will give me 4. 4 into minus 1. Right. So minus 4 is the answer. Is it okay?
सर x plus 4y का बताओ ना.
X plus 4y का. Okay. So it will be expected value of x plus 4 times expected value of y.
हाँ सर समझा.
Sorry. So third sum is clear?
यस सर. सर लास्ट वाला एक बार बताओ ना.
X plus 2 and y minus 5 का?
यस सर.
Okay. See, it's given x and y both are independent random variables. So if x and y are independent, x plus 2 and y minus 5 will also be independent. Okay, x plus 2 and y minus 5 will also be independent. So expected value of x plus 2 into y minus 5 will be expected value of x plus 2 into expected value of y minus 5. Okay, and then we get expected value of x plus 2 as 4 using your first property. Expected value of y minus 5 we get it as minus 1 again using your first property. So its answer will be minus 4.
सर
Yes.
अगर वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होते तो कैसा होता?
तो फिर ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं होगा
तो
क्योंकि वो जो प्रॉपर्टी
इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके फिर आंसर आएगा ना, तो दोनों को
इक्वेशन
कर लो.
मतलब वो ब्रैकेट ओपन करके.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ, बट अगर वो ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे ओके चलो वो भी हम लोग ट्राई कर लेते हैं. So we will see what we get. Okay, so you are telling x plus 2 and y minus 5. So you want to first multiply, right? वो ब्रैकेट ओपन करना है. Okay, so ब्रैकेट को ओपन किया तो I will get xy minus 5x plus 2y minus 10. This is what I will get.
यस सर.
करेक्ट. अभी वापस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू का प्रॉपर्टी यूज करो. तो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई माइनस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ 5x प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ 2y. सॉरी, इट विल बी लाइक दिस. अगर प्रॉपर हो प्रॉपर्टी से गया तो करेक्ट.
यस सर.
हाँ, so now this will give me what? Expected value of x into expected value of y minus 5 times expected value of x plus 2 times expected value of y minus expected value of 10. Right? अभी फर्स्ट टर्म क्या मिलेगा? expected value of x into y will give me 8. 8 minus 5 into 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 10. Right?
यस सर.
तो कितना मिलेगा? कैलकुलेट करो और बोलो कितना मिलेगा. अब ये कैलकुलेट करो और देखो कितना आता है.
-4.
सेम आंसर यू विल गेट.
-4.
minus
ओके, सो ऐसा करो डायरेक्टली वैसा करो. इट इज वन इन द सेम थिंग. So whichever technique you feel it's easy and convenient for you, you can apply. Is it fine?
यस सर.
Okay. Good. Again, I would like to appreciate that this means that you are solving the sums, and that is why you are getting different questions, which is logical, and that questions will arise only if you solve the sums. Otherwise, nahi aata hai. Fine. So, shall I go to the next sum?
यस सर.
Okay. What does the next question says? There are 10 tokens in a bag. Tokens matlab coins. Okay. 6 of them are worth 5 rupees each. Other 4 are of equal value, which is unknown. If the expectation from drawing a single token is 4, okay, expectation of drawing a single token is 4. You have to find what is the unknown value. Okay, you have to find what is the unknown value. So again I repeat, token is similar to your coin. Okay, token is similar to your coin. So what does it say? कि कितना coins है bag में?
10.
10 coins, right?
सर आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा.
Sorry. So what I was telling, the bag contains 10 tokens. Tokens matlab, you can assume it's a coin. Yes.
So your voice was not audible till now.
नहीं मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था, मैंने म्यूट पे डाला हुआ था, तभी मेरा कॉल आया था इसके लिए मैंने म्यूट पे डाला हुआ था. बीच में 2-4 मिनट कुछ आई डिडंट स्पोक ओनली. ठीक है. Okay, so I was telling 6 of them are rupees 5 each. 4 other are of equal value, which is unknown. Expectation for drawing a single token is 4. We have to find out the unknown value. So यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? Expected value of x is given as 4. ठीक है. Expected value of x is given as 4. और यहाँ पे जो p of x है, p of x is 1/10, because what is the expectation is from drawing a single coin. So what is your experiment? The experiment is of drawing a single token. Okay, experiment is of drawing a single token. So single coin draw करना है from 10 coins. Okay, single coin draw करना है from 10 coins. तो उसका probability will be 1/10. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, expected value of x is equal to 4, the other 4 values वो उसकी वजह से है क्या?
नहीं, last sentence है ना. If the expectation from drawing a single token is 4, expectation from drawing a single token is 4, उसके वजह से expected value 4 आया करके.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. And उसका जो probability है, that is 1/10, because what does that same statement says? You are drawing one single coin, right? You are drawing one single coin. इसके लिए तो एक कॉइन तुम लोग सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम 10 कॉइन्स. ओके, एक कॉइन तुम लोग सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम 10 कॉइन्स. तो उसका जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है, दैट इज द रीजन कि यू गेट इट एज 1/10 एज योर p of x. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we make a table of this kind where we will have the weightage. Weightage मतलब the denomination of the token and उसका probability. ठीक है. We make a table of this kind जहाँ पे we will have the token का denomination and उसका probability. Just a second, I don't know what happened to the file. कुछ processing दिखा रहा है. Just a second. Close करके it is not allowing me to close the file. Wait, some process is going on in the laptop. Just a second. So that word is not responding. So wait, and just try to close the file and reopen. Just wait a minute. It is not allowing me to close also. What should I do? मेरे को क्लोज ही करने नहीं दे रहा है वर्ड वो.
Sir, meanwhile, can we
Okay,
take a
I'll just try to enter and see whether that is allowing me to close that Word document or not. Alt Control Delete. Delete. नहीं तो फिर मेरे को एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है उसको पूरा लैपटॉप को शट डाउन करके रीस्टार्ट करने का. बट फिर वो मीटिंग डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा ना.
So then we will take a break and come again.
हाँ, that is what I was thinking. You take a break. By that time I will just एक मिनट वो कुछ तो आ गया. Just wait. वो टास्क मैनेजर आया था. Just wait. नहीं ठीक है. Take a break. Come up. We will continue after 5 minutes. By that time I will try to find out क्यों क्या हो रहा है. मेरे को रीस्टार्ट करना पड़ा तो भी I'll just restart and I'll keep it ready. So by 5:10 we will start. Okay, take a break for 5 minutes. Yeah.
Sir, it is 5:07 right now, so it will not.
भाई अरे तो मेरे सिस्टम का क्लॉक भी हैंग हो गया. ठीक है तो 5:13 को आ जाओ.
Okay, sir.
5:13 बोला तो तुम लोग उसको 15 ही करोगे पता है मेरे को. बट इफ आई से 5:15 तो तुम लोग 20 को आओगे. इसके लिए कम बाय 5:13. I think I'll shut down and restart. That is only the easiest option. Okay, is the word file visible?
Yes, sir.
We'll wait for 2 minutes, then we will begin. Okay, shall we start?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so the file is visible right now.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so we were discussing the sum which says there are 10 tokens in a bag. 6 of them are worth rupees 5 each. Other 4 are of equal value, which is unknown. Expectation from drawing a single token is 4. We have to find out what is the unknown value. So question में expected value is given as 4. Probability turns out to be 1 by 10 because it is drawing a single token from the given 10 tokens. So the probability will be 1 by 10. So now we make a table of this form where we will write down the value of each of the token and the value of the P of X, that is its probability. So there are 6 tokens of rupees 5 worth each, right? So we will write down 5, 5, 5, 6 times. Remaining 4, we take it as say K, or we take it as A. Chalo P. What we should take? P. Okay. So 6 tokens are of rupees 5 each, and remaining 4 tokens are of value T each. Each of them has the probability 1 by 10. Right? Each of them have the probability 1 by 10 because that is what is given in the question. So this table is clear, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
We have to, what we have to find? We have to find the value of T. Right? We have to find the value of T. So uske liye what we will do is we will take the help of the expected value. The formula for expected value is summation over x belonging to S xpx. This is what is the formula for your expected value. Okay, this is what is the formula for your expected value, summation xpx. Now expected value is given as 4. Okay, expected value is given as 4, and right hand side summation xpx. So it is 5 into 1 by 10 राइट, ये 5 इंटू 1/10 कितनी बार होगा? 5 इंटू 1/10 कितनी बार होगा?
6 times.
6 times.
6 times. So instead of writing 5 into 1/10, 6 times, can I write like this? 5 into 1/10 multiplied by 6.
Yes, sir.
Right? 5 into 1/10 plus 5 into 1/10. So instead of writing it 6 times, I can write like this.
So your voice is breaking.
Let's go.
एक सेकंड. Wait, just okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So I was telling, okay, when we apply the formula that of that expected value, we get 5 into 10, 5 into 1/10 plus 5 into 1/10. That is 6 times. So instead of writing it as 5 into 1/10 plus 5 into 1/10 6 times, can I write it as 5 into 1/10 multiplied by 6?
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो हो गया मेरा पहला 6 वैल्यूज. रिमेनिंग 4 वैल्यूज आई विल राइट इट एज t into 1/10 multiplied by 4, right? Because the other 4 coins are of worth value t. So it is t into 1/10 plus t into 1/10 plus t into 1/10 plus t into 1/10 4 times. तो उसको मैं लिख सकता है t into 1/10 multiplied by 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now what we have to do, ये अभी मिल गया equation in one variable. Okay, ये मिल गया equation in one variable. तो इसको solve करके t का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. That's it. So we will get 5 equals to 30 divided by 10. Right? 5 equals to 30 divided by 10 plus 40 divided by 10. Right? 30 divided by 10 plus 40 divided by 10. That is what is the right hand side which I get. So now solve this and get the value of t. Solve this and get the value of t.
सर 2 है क्या आंसर?
2 आ रहा है?
2.5.
2.5.
5/2.
5 by 2 or 2.5. That is what is the value of t.
Yes, sir. 5/2.
Don't think कि ₹2.5 का coin कैसे होता है. There are some things which you have to assume. इसके लिए वो token है. The word coin is not used. Coin तो हम लोग ने reference के लिए use किया था. Okay, so it's like now. Again, what happened? Is the file visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
it's visible.
Okay. नहीं वो बीच में minimize हो गया था. So there are 4 tokens of value 2.5 each. So is this sum clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will start with the variance ka part. Variance of a random variable x. Variance of a random variable x is denoted by capital V of x, and it is defined as expected value of x minus ex का square. ठीक है. Variance of random variable x is denoted by V of x. It is defined as expected value of x minus ex का square. This is the formula. Standard deviation is square root of the variance. Okay, standard deviation is square root of the variance. Positive square root of the variance. Properties. X is a discrete random variable. V of x is the variance. A and B are scalars. So the first property says variance of ax plus b is same as a square times variance of x. Okay, variance of ax plus b is a square times variance of x. Second property is variance of b is 0. That is variance of a constant or variance of a scalar is 0. Variance of x can also be written as expected value of x square minus e of x the whole square. Okay, variance of x is expected value of x square minus e of x the whole square. ठीक है. So the third वाला property है that once we prove that also you can use it as your formula for the variance. Okay, third वाला जो property है once we prove that can be used as an alternate formula for your variance. One formula is expected value. Sorry, I got disconnected in between. Wait. Is the file visible again?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
So what I was telling, we are discussing the properties of the variance. So variance of ax plus b is a times variance of x. Second property, variance of b is 0, where b is a scalar. Okay, b is a scalar, so uska variance will be 0. Third property is variance of x ka formula e of x square minus e of x the whole square. And fourth property is variance of x plus y is variance of x plus variance of y, provided x and y are independent. ठीक है, provided x and y are independent. So fourth property will be without proof. First three we will be proving them. Okay, first three we will be proving them. So before we write down the proof, you just take a screenshot of these four properties of the variance, because it will be helpful for example solving. Because once we write down the proof, it may happen कि उसका alignment थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा, so it would be difficult to get all the four properties in a single pic. So take a screenshot and then go for the proofs of this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Again I repeat, जो property 3 है, variance of x, there is expected value of x square minus square of the expected value of x. This can be treated as a formula equivalent to the formula which was given. But the only thing is वो prove करने के बाद you can treat it as a formula. Okay, so we start with the proof of the first result, that is variance of ax plus b. Okay, variance of ax plus b. So as per the formula, what it says, variance of x, it is expected value of x minus e of x the whole square. So this will give you expected value of ax plus b minus expected value of ax plus b इसका स्क्वायर. x की जगह पे हम लोग ax plus b लिखेगा. ठीक है, x की जगह पे हम लोग ax plus b लिखेगा. Then we use the property of the expected value. So what does this give us? Expected value of ax plus b minus a times expected value of x minus b इसका square. Just tell me, is this step fine? हम लोग ने expected value का property use किया bracket के अंदर. Expected value of ax plus b is a times expected value of x plus b. So this will be expected value of ax minus a times expected value of x, ठीक है, plus b minus b cancel हो जाएगा, इसका whole square.
सर सेकंड स्टेप वापस बताओ.
Second step, expected value of ax plus b क्या होगा? Expected value of ax plus b
A expected value of x plus b.
right, a expected value of x plus b. वहां पे एक माइनस साइन है अंदर, you have a minus sign in between.
Yes sir.
तो वो माइनस के साथ कंसीडर करेगा तो यू गेट माइनस a टाइम्स एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x माइनस b. Is it okay?
सर A किसको कंसिडर किया है?
a किसको कंसीडर किया मींस can you just tell me a किसको कंसीडर किया मींस what exactly you mean by that statement?
सर फॉर्मूला में A एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x प्लस b है ना, तो A एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x किसको कंसिडर किया है इसमें?
ये तो ये है ना, ये वाला पार्ट.
हाँ सर समझा.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see that plus b minus b gets cancelled. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what remains is expected value of ax minus a expected value of x the whole square. अभी इसको I can simplify it and write it as a common निकाल के I can write like this, right? Expected value of a multiplied with x minus ex the whole square. Now this can be written as expected value of a square multiplied with x minus ex का square. एक second. I'll write it as wait, bracket का alignment थोड़ा अलग हो गया. Just a second ना. I'll retype it. This is what I get. Expected value of a square multiplied with x minus ex the whole square. Fine till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, use the property of your expected value and tell me क्या लिख सकते क्या what you will get. Hello?
So we can use e of x into e of y.
That a square, using the property of expected value, that a square I can take it out.
Yes, sir.
So I can write like this: a square into expected value of x minus ex the whole square. Right? So this is a square, and whatever term is there, that is nothing but my v of x. So I get a square into v of x. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So मेरा first property का proof हो गया. Variance of ax plus b is a square times variance of x. Second proof, that is variance of b is equal to 0. That is the second property. Variance of b is equal to 0. We start with variance of b. तो मेरा फॉर्मूला क्या है? Expected value of b minus expected value of b the whole square. तो जो वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला है ना, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x माइनस ई एक्स द होल स्क्वायर, उसमें b को मैंने x से x को मैंने b से रिप्लेस कर दिया. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई गेट. x को मैंने b से रिप्लेस कर दिया. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई गेट. Again, use the property of your expected value. What will be expected value of b? What will be expected value of b?
B.
What will be expected value of b?
B.
It will be b. So it is b the whole square. So you can see वो तो 0 हो गया. b minus b cancel होके 0 हो गया वो. So you get expected value of 0. Expected value of 0 is 0. तो ये हो गया सेकेंड का प्रूफ. Expected value of a constant, variance of a constant is 0. See, expected value of a constant is the same constant and variance of your constant is always 0. याद रखो ये very important with respect to the properties, क्योंकि ये तुम लोग को आगे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में यूज होगा करके. Expected value of a constant is the same constant, variance of the constant is 0. Okay, variance of the constant is 0.
सर वो आपने वेरिएंस ऑफ b इज इक्वल टू ई बी माइनस ई ऑफ बी दी होल स्क्वायर लिखा है ना, तो वो कैसे आया?
फॉर्मूला से, ये जो फॉर्मूला है ना वेरिएंस ऑफ x का, expected value of x minus ex the whole square.
ओके सर, x के जगह पे b डाला है ना बस?
हाँ, x की जगह पे b डाला. ठीक है.
यस सर.
Now the third one, which is one of the important one. Important in the sense proof wise, क्योंकि first two तो you can say they are simple. Third one is tricky. That is why it is important. So we start with again variance of x, expected value of x minus e of x the whole square. ये मेरा बेसिक फॉर्मूला है किसका, वेरिएंस का. इसको भी मैं सिंप्लीफाई करेगा तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x स्क्वायर a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहा हूं मैं. ठीक है, a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला?
a square minus 2ab plus b square.
a square minus ab plus b square.
हाँ, a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो a की जगह पे x है, b की जगह पे e ऑफ x है. ठीक है, a की जगह पे x है, b की जगह पे e ऑफ x है. तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 टाइम्स ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. I can write like this. Just make yourself satisfied कि ऐसा लिख सकता है करके. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do, once this step is okay, rest is just expected value का property. ठीक है, rest is just expected value का property. Okay, again I repeat, rest is just expected value का property. ओके, तो अभी एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू का प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा अपने को? अपने को मिलेगा एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ 2x e of x प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ e of x का स्क्वायर. ये वाला टर्म मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we will do is again we will apply the property. तो फर्स्ट टर्म तो मेरा एज इट इज रहेगा, दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x स्क्वायर. नाउ टेल मी, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू इज बेसिकली नथिंग बट योर एवरेज, राइट? सो x इज अ वेरिएबल, बट व्हाट विल बी योर एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x? विल इट बी अ कांस्टेंट और इट विल बी अ वेरिएबल?
Sir, can you repeat?
x is a variable, so expected value of x will be a constant or it will be a variable.
Variable.
Variable नहीं, it will be a constant. No, expected value तो fix रहता है ना. Expected value is what? Summation x divided by n. That is summation x px. So expected value is a constant. X is a variable. Expected value is a constant. वो एक scalar है. Remember that expected value is a scalar. So using the property of your expected value, जो second term है उसको मैं ऐसा लिख सकता है. टू scalar है तो that will come out. I am using the property expected value of ax. Okay, I am using the property of expected value of ax. That is a times expected value of x. Okay, again I repeat, I am using the property of expected value of ax, which is a times expected value of x. So second term में I have expected value of 2x into expected value of x. That is expected value of 2x into ex. So ex is a constant, 2 is a constant. So 2ex I can take out. That will act as my a. So it will give me a into expected value of x. Okay, it will give me a into expected value of x. So I get 2ex multiplied by ex. Right?
Yes, sir.
And the third term है third term. What it is? Expected value of x का square. But just now we discussed कि expected value of x is a scalar. So expected value of x is a scalar. तो उसका जो square है वो भी तो scalar होगा ना. उसका जो square है वो भी तो scalar होगा. So third term I can write it like this. Just see and tell me, is it okay or not? I can write down the third term like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it fine?
सर ये वापस बताओ ना ये वाला.
ये वाला step.
Yes, sir. Last one.
Okay. See, first term तो expected value of x square है, वो तो वैसे ही हम लोग ने लिख लिया. Second term जो है, it is 2 times expected value of 2x into ex. Right? Now ex is nothing but your expected value, which is a scalar. Okay, ex is nothing but your expected value, which is a scalar. तो जो second term है उसको मैं expected value of ax I write where I take my a as 2 into e of x. Okay, जो second term है उसको मैं लिखेगा expected value of ax and a क्या है? A is 2 into ex. Right? Okay, I'll just
Yes, sir.
type and expected value of 2x ex this I write it as expected value of ax where I am taking my AX to EX. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, इसको मैं कैसा लिख सकते हैं? एक मिनट, हाँ, I'll just now using the property of expected value, how can I write this? What is expected value of AX? Yes, what is expected?
AE of X.
AE of X. But what is my A here?
2.
2. It is 2E of X, no?
Yes.
So it will be 2E of X into E of X.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me what about the last term? Last term is fine.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, that E of X the whole square is a constant. तो तुम्हारा expected value से बाहर आ जाएगा. तो inside it remains 1.
समझा सर.
Yes? Still anyone has any doubt in this part?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So now what we do is, now tell me what is expected value of 1. What is expected value of 1?
1 nothing.
Expected value of 1 is 1. Okay, expected value of B is B. Right? Expected value of B is B. So expected value of 1 is 1. So I can write like this. And this gives me expected value of x square minus expected value of x the whole square, because I am getting minus 2 times expected value of x the whole square plus expected value of x the whole square. Right? Is this okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is your proof of the third property. Now you can treat this as a formula. Okay, this can be very well treated as a formula now. Fine. So see, whatever, again I repeat, if you have the exam as a descriptive exam, whatever proofs we are doing, that only proofs will be expected in your paper. जैसे यहाँ पे भी हम लोग ने फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी का प्रूफ नहीं किया, दैट इज वेरिएंस ऑफ x प्लस y is variance of x plus variance of y when x and y are independent. तो उसका प्रूफ नहीं आएगा तुम लोग को एग्जाम में. ठीक है? whatever proofs we are doing, only that many proofs will be expected from you. Okay, fine. So we will do 1 or 2 examples related to the variance, and then I think we will stop for the day. So x is a random variable with expected value of x as 3, variance of x as 4. We have to find the expected value of x square. Okay, we have to find the expected value of x square. Okay, can anyone tell me how we will solve this?
So we can use the third formula.
कौन सा वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेगा वेरिएंस के लिए?
Third property.
Third property. Okay, variance of x is expected value of x square minus expected value of x का square. Okay, so variance is given as 4. Expected value of x square is what we have to find out, and expected value of x is given as 3. तो वो हो जाएगा 3 का square. So expected value of x square will be how much? Minus 5. 9. 13. Right? Expected value of x square will be 13. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will do one sum, one simple sum, and then we will stop. For random variable x and y. Expected value of x is 3. Expected value of y is 2. Variance of x is 1. Variance of y is 4. Find variance of 2x plus 5. Variance of 3y minus x. Okay. Quickly tell me the answer of this sum, and then we will stop for the day. X and y are the random variables. For random variable x and y, variance of x is given as 1, variance of y is given as 4. We have to find out variance of 2x plus 5 as well as variance of 3y minus x. Quickly tell, and then we will stop. Using the properties only, nothing else. So this kind of sums can be there for your MCQs also. So what will be variance of 2x plus 5?
So for first one it's 4.
First one is 4. Okay, which property you are using?
First property.
First property. So it is 4 times variance of x, a square into variance of x. So that turns out to 4. Good. Okay, so I will not write it 4. I will write it as 2 raised to 3. So it is 2 square into variance of x. That gives me 4. Good. Second, variance of 3y minus x.
Sir, 36.
30.
36.
36.
Yes, sir.
No. 36. Okay. It is not 36. Your answer is 60% correct, but 40% it is wrong. Now you would be thinking number में कैसा 60% correct है, but that is what the thing is. It is not 36, but it is nearer to the answer. Is anyone else? I
32.
think Purva you said 36, no?
Yes, sir.
So anyone else?
32.
Yes, anyone else?
Sir, it's 32.
32. No. This is much far away from the correct answer. Purva का तो फिर भी nearby था. Your answer is very far.
सर कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करने का, फोर्थ वाला ना?
वो मैं बोल दिया तो फिर एडिशन तो कोई भी करके देगा ना, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तो कोई भी करके देगा. कौन सा
सर मेरे
फॉर्मूला
को
यूज
आंसर
करने वो.
अलग आ रहा है इसलिए.
हाँ तो दैट इज व्हाट द थिंग इज. नो वही तो पॉइंट है. इफ आई टेल यू द फॉर्मूला एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तो कोई भी कर देगा. इफ यू हैव अ स्मॉल सिबलिंग ऑफ जैसे फोर्थ और फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड एट योर हाउस तो वो भी करके देगा करके. You want time to think tomorrow because tomorrow we have a lecture. तब तक सोचना है. Try करो. It is a good this thing. What you can say. मजा आएगा. Right? You want to try it till tomorrow because I am not of the opinion of telling the answer of this.
नहीं सर, आज ही बताओ.
हाँ तो तुम लोग बताओ. मेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 36 रॉन्ग है, 32 रॉन्ग है. ऐश्वर्या ने तो कुछ आंसर ही नहीं दिया. वो तो मेरे को फॉर्मूला पूछ रही है जो मैं बताने वाला नहीं हूँ.
35.
35. 35. No, but you are nearer to the answer. If you didn't try. हिमाक्षी कहाँ गई? हिमाक्षी
Yes, sir, doing.
ओके. हाँ तुम आंसर नहीं दिया इसके लिए. तीन ऑप्शन मिला मेरे को. एक था 32, वो भी स्वीटी ने दिया. 35 भी स्वीटी ने दिया. पूर्वा ने 36 दिया. अब वो तीनों गलत है. तुम एक चौथा आंसर दे दो, मे बी वो करेक्ट हो जाए तो फिर एमसीक्यू हो जाएगा. केबीसी. Acha, sweetie, you said 35, right? The last one.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell which formula you used?
I use the first property and the fourth property.
First property and fourth property. Okay. Since sweetie has told कि कौन सा property use किया, I will help you out for getting the answer of this. See, first you write it like this. कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी में अपने को माइनस के लिए नहीं है, राइट? So I can write like this. Yes, I can write like this.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you apply your property number 4, it will be variance of 3x plus variance of minus 1 into x, correct? This is what we get property number 4 से. अभी property number 1.
सर लेकिन y है ना वहाँ पे 3y.
Sorry, typing error. Sorry, my mistake for the first one. It is 3y, right? So now tell me, abhi, as sweetie said, abhi first property use करो. Now sweetie, you only tell me first property use करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा?
Sir, answer is 3 square into variance of x.
9 into variance of y, right? 3 square.
Yes, sir. I said 3 square. No?
Right. Now what is the second term? That is the important one. Plus
1 square.
minus 1 का square.
Yes, sir. It will become 1.
So it is 1, so it is variance of x. So it is 9. Sorry, where it is gone?
So 37 answer.
37 answer है.
So, but I used the correct formula.
But half only it was correct, no? 37.
Yes, sir. I just minused it without
You missed
applying
out
the
that minus 1 ka square.
Yes, sir. I don't know that we want to do it like this.
So see, I'm just giving you an idea. If this kind of questions come in your multiple choice, so your options also would be similar. 3 of the options you have only told. One was 35, 36 is what Purva said, 37 is the correct answer, and one option would be somewhere near to that. So why I'm telling this is you have to be careful, because अगर 36 भी है 35 भी है option में, so it becomes a bit difficult to guess, right? But okay, it was the first attempt, so it is good. Means first attempt में भी अच्छा मिला करके, so not a bad thing. I hope this sum is clear.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
What about others?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
ठीक है. So I will end the class. We will continue tomorrow.